everyone, Kelly Fisher here. I wanted to let you all know that I'm going to be coming to Owasso, Michigan from April 28th to the 30th for a special weekend at the Avenue Bar and Grill. I'm really looking forward to it. It'll be an action-packed event for all pool players and fans. So I'd like to see you all getting your tickets and coming along to what will be a great weekend. Friday night, we've got a 9-ball battle against myself and Tzu-Chien. She's the Puerto Rico Open champion, and she's coming all the way from Taiwan, and I'm coming all the way from the UK just for you guys. Get your tickets for the challenge matches, because after that we're going to be up for you guys to challenge us, show us what you're made of, and take us off the table. That would be great. Saturday afternoon, you guys can purchase tickets for the Quick Fire Coaching Academy. We're going to have 3 hours for all skill levels to learn whatever you guys need to learn, see if we can improve your game in the Coaching Academy. It should be really good fun, but also you're going to learn a lot and take you up to that next level. Like I said, I can't wait to see you all. I'm really looking forward to it. So get your tickets and I'll see you guys really soon. Bye for now.